Here, I cut the deck.
Okay.
The card is loose into the deck. Okay. No tricky. I don't know what. That's your card.
Yes.
Now, when you think about your card, look what happens. It turns red. You know why it turns red? Imagine why it turns red.
It was red?
No?
I don't know, it was red?
Was that the card?
No.
No, it was not the card. Are you sure?
Yes.
That was the card. Right?
Yeah, that was the
Yeah,
card.
that was the card. Hold on to this up. The other hand on top.
Okay.
On top, like this. Okay? Do you find that a good card for her? No.
Yeah.
Let's try one more time. Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Stop. Here. That's the new card.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay? What is it? Queen of Hearts.
It's not.
It's a better card, huh, for her.
Okay.
Don't you think? Queen of Hearts matches better with her.
Okay.
Just look. Look. 3, 2, 1. Bam! It's your card again. Look
Yeah.
at your hand.